guys, trade recap time, and today I ended up losing money. I actually lost this trade mainly because I wasn't sticking to my rules. I'll go into that later, why I shouldn't have taken this trade, what sort of trades I should have taken, etc. But before I do that, I'll just go and give you the reasoning and my thought process behind looking for longs here. And as you can see, the previous day we had quite a large move up, taking out, let me zoom out a bit, all these points of liquidity here. And, pretty much I just thought we're going to carry on, we can take out this high and these two relative equal highs also. And that was kind of backed up with this equilibrium. I think it's half, okay, well, this 1 hour equilibrium, as well as I put it on the lowest point of this 30-minute, but lowest out of these three highs, the lows even, sorry, fuck. We hit that equilibrium in Asia session and then New York session quite early, basically straight away. Yeah, we swept out Asia session lows and then we pushed up, broke structure pretty much straight away. I went on to the 5-minute looking for entries. We had quite a nice entry, to be honest. We ended up forming this equilibrium. We came back down, tapped into equilibrium perfectly, partially filled that imbalance, pushed out, and this is where I entered into longs, setting stops at the bottom of this imbalance. We had break-even point this high, I think it was 1 hour high, and then we had 3-day profits, one here and then at these two relative equal highs, which I'd already mentioned. Pretty much the main reason I think I ended up losing this trade is because of the high time frame BPR that we ended up forming, which to me is when there's a risk, these sort of trades, when we have a large move, I don't like to trade around them. I've mentioned that many times because I keep doing it, because I just end up like, reasoning with myself, giving myself false reasoning on why it's okay to take a trade, and I kind of like manipulating, I gaslight myself into just taking a trade. Maybe it's because I missed such a large trade the previous day, and yeah, it's just the emotions getting better control of me, because these sort of days can go either way. Yes, I've seen, BPRs have fallen like many times, but I have seen many trades continue higher, as we did partially like come down and fill this partially with Asia session. But these sort of days, to me, very unpredictable. I don't like trading them. I shouldn't have traded today, and that is, the main reason for my mistake. But it's a Friday, we're going into the next week looking good. We're still up on the month, barely, but we are still up. I think literally maybe 1% or 2. But yeah, hopefully next week is a better week. We can catch some winning trades, better the profits for this month, and then we can come out of this month not just being above break even, and we can actually make and secure some good profits. And yeah, hopefully you guys learned something about these BPRs and how they're formed. I will make an in-depth video on BPRs, how to use them as a low time frame confluence and how to use them for your daily bias. For people that want to use them for their daily bias, me personally, not my thing. Yeah, I think that's about it. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.